Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we help you unlock financial freedom one strategy at a time. Today, we're diving into a game changer for small business owners, using artificial intelligence to automate your operations and ultimately make more money. AI isn't just the buzzword anymore. It's a tool that's transforming industries, and small businesses are no exception. Now, let's be real. As a small business owner, you juggle a million tasks at once. It can feel like you're always playing catch-up. But what if you could delegate some of those tasks to a smart assistant that works 24/7? Enter AI. Imagine this. You're running a small e-commerce business, and managing customer service, inventory, and marketing is becoming overwhelming. That's exactly where AI steps in to make a massive impact, streamlining operations, cutting costs, and boosting your bottom line. But how? Let's break it down. First off, AI can automate your customer service. Tools like chatbots powered by natural language processing can handle frequently asked questions, manage returns, and even make product recommendations, all without human intervention. Take Amelia's online boutique, for example. She implemented an AI chatbot that answers product inquiries and processes orders. Not only did this reduce the workload on her team, but it also improved customer satisfaction by providing instant responses, leading to an increase in sales and repeat customers. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also optimize inventory management. By analyzing past sales data and predicting trends, AI systems can forecast demand and automatically reorder stock when inventory levels dip. This minimizes stockouts and overstocking, which ultimately helps you avoid lost sales or wasted resources. Noah, a small business owner in the home goods space, integrated AI to manage his inventory, resulting in a 20% reduction in excess stock and a significant boost in profitability. Marketing is another area where AI works wonders. With AI-powered tools, you can create personalized ad campaigns, analyze customer behavior, and optimize your content to drive more traffic. These tools can even automate email marketing, sending tailored promotions at the perfect time to increase conversions. For instance, Olivia, who runs a small fitness brand, uses AI to send automated workout tips and product recommendations based on her customers' previous purchases. Her email open rates skyrocketed, and sales followed suit. One of the most underrated ways to use AI is through financial automation. Tools powered by AI can track your cash flow, analyze expenses, and predict future financial needs, giving you more time to focus on growth. Henry, a small business owner in the food industry, set up an AI system that tracks his restaurant's cash flow and gives him a daily financial summary. This allowed him to make data-driven decisions and stay on top of his finances without spending hours in spreadsheets. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: cost. Many small business owners fear that AI implementation is too expensive. But here's the truth: AI can actually save you money in the long run. Think about the time and money spent on manual tasks like customer service, inventory tracking, or marketing. AI frees up your resources, allowing you to scale your business more efficiently. Plus, the ROI on AI-driven solutions is significant, with studies showing that businesses using AI for automation see an average increase in revenue of 30%. However, it's important to approach AI with a strategy. You don't need to implement every AI tool available to see results. Start small by automating one aspect of your business that takes up the most time, whether it's customer service, inventory, or marketing. From there, you can expand as you see the value AI brings to your operations. The key is to make AI work for your unique business needs. Let's take a step back and think about what AI can truly do for small businesses. It's not just about making processes more efficient. It's about unlocking new opportunities for growth. Whether it's enhancing your marketing efforts, optimizing operations, or improving customer engagement, AI allows you to focus on what matters most: scaling your business. But before we wrap up, let's talk about how to make sure you're using AI responsibly. It's crucial to stay compliant with data privacy laws such as the GDPR if you're in Europe, or other local regulations. Always make sure your AI tools are secure and ethical in how they handle customer data. You want to provide a seamless, personalized experience for your customers without compromising their trust. Now, here's a quick recap. AI can automate key aspects of your small business, from customer service and inventory management to marketing and financial tracking. Start with small, manageable steps, and as you see the benefits, you can expand your AI strategy to scale your business. It's a game changer, and it's within your reach. If you found these insights helpful, let me know in the comments. Which AI tool are you excited to implement in your business? I'd love to hear about your experiences and answer any questions you have. And if you want more strategies to grow your business and your wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's always more to learn, and you don't want to miss out. As always, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you're ready to take your finances to the next level, this video will help. Watch now.